Here I have LENOVO Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Storage section, go to your SD card, okay, Files, tap on three dots here, go to the Storage settings and select Format. Then tap Continue, Format SD card, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted and be ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.